New York City's food scene is constantly evolving, and this year, we've got incredible new spots you need to check out. From hidden neighborhood gems to Michelin-worthy dining experiences, these restaurants are taking NYC by storm. First up, Akru in Greenwich Village, offering an elegant 9-course tasting menu with Australian, Korean, and Scandinavian influences. Then there's Pitt's in Red Hook, Brooklyn, where comfort food gets a creative twist. Don't miss the fried pork chop with apricots, prunes, and olives. In the Flatiron District, Passerine is redefining seasonal Indian cuisine with standout dishes like chicken kofta with pickled mushrooms and monkfish vadagam in Konkani curry. Over in Rose Hill, Borgo delivers cozy trattoria vibes with light yet satisfying Italian classics like lobster pasta and chicken liver crostini. For steak lovers, Vanille Chop House in Union Square pairs dry-aged ribeye with a killer vinyl soundtrack. In Greenpoint, the Snail is buzzing with lamb tartar, crab capelletti, and a laid-back yet electric atmosphere. Meanwhile, the Moody Tongue Pizzeria in the East Village is the first Tokyo-style Neapolitan pizza spot in NYC, offering fried mozzarella and Genovese pizza with short rib ragu. Over in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, Enso Omakase is a must-visit for sushi lovers, serving a 16-course omakase experience with buttery chutoro from North Carolina and crispy fried sardine bones. At Papa San in Hudson Yards, Peruvian and Japanese flavors collide in dishes like fluke tiradito with grapes and mackerel ceviche with banana chips. Meanwhile, Soso's in Soho serves up duck à l'orange, crab royale custard, and a massive martini selection in a stylish space. Looking for Mediterranean? Leonetta in Murray Hill offers baba ganoush, burrata with truffle honey, and black cod dolma, plus a secret cocktail lounge. If you're craving classic French, Chez Fifi on the Upper East Side delivers wild Dover sole, frites maison with caviar aioli, and the best creme brulee in NYC. For a taste of Sweden, Hildur in Dumbo combines Nordic and French influences, with Swedish meatballs au poivre and a standout charred cabbage dish. If wine bars are more your style, Cactus Wren in the Lower East Side serves 7-layer caviar dip, tuna crudo with chorizo, and wood-fired pizzas in a relaxed, stylish setting. Meanwhile, in Ridgewood, Queens, Il Gigante is dishing out authentic Italian home-style cooking, with gramigna pasta in pink sauce and a cotoletta alla bolognese that's pure perfection. Looking for bold South Indian flavors? Chatty in Midtown brings the street food of Kerala to NYC with mutton fry, lobster moili, and tapioca patties. And finally, if you're near Grand Central, Grand Brasserie offers classic French dishes like cassoulet and duck confit, perfect before catching a train. That's our roundup of NYC's best new restaurants in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more food and travel content.